Instead of just saying, I don't know, try saying, I'm not sure about that. Sounds better, right? This is the kind of practical everyday phrases we are covering today. Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Do you ever feel like you know the right words but you don't know how to sound natural in English? Don't worry, I have got you covered. These phrases are super practical, easy to learn and will help you sound like a pro in no time. Stick around because I'll not only explain each phrase, I'll also give 2 examples for each phrase so you know exactly how to use this in your everyday situations. Let's get started. So the first one is, how is it going? How's it going? It's a casual way to ask someone how they are doing. Like instead of asking how are you, you can ask this. This is used to ask how they are, like how someone is doing or how things are progressing. I'll give you one example. Hi, how is it going? It's a casual way to have a conversation with someone. Second example, how is it going with your new job? It's a casual way to ask about the job. The second sentence is, that makes sense. That makes sense. Used to show you understand or you agree with something. Example 1. You didn't come because of the rain. That makes sense. So you are telling them that, oh, I now understood why you didn't come yesterday or something like that. Second one is, if you are tired, you should rest. That makes sense. So if you are tired, you should go and rest. I can understand you. It's okay if you take rest. I agree with you. Third sentence is very common when we have a phone conversation. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. A polite way to say you will respond after some time, after checking something or maybe thinking about something. First example, can you confirm the time? I'll get back to you tomorrow. It's like we're giving that particular person some time to check the time or any schedule or something like that. Second example is, I don't know the answer right now. I'll get back to you. So here you are asking for some time. You don't know what to answer or you don't know an answer for a particular question. So you're telling them, I'll get back to you. I'll call you later or I'll ask you to come later. It's up to you. It's up to you. Used to tell someone that they can decide. What do you want for dinner? It's up to you. You can decide what do you want for dinner. Should we stay in or go out? It's up to you. You can decide whether we should stay in or go out. I didn't catch that. I didn't catch that. It doesn't mean you went and caught something or you did not catch it. It's a polite way to say you didn't hear or understand something. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you say it again? It's like pardon, asking, pardon please. What was that? I didn't catch the last part. Oh, it slipped my mind. It slipped my mind. It's a way to say you forgot something. I was supposed to send that email, but it slipped my mind. Oh no, it completely slipped my mind to buy the milk. So whenever you want to say you forgot something, instead of simply saying, oh, I forgot that, you can just modify your speech. You can say it like this, it slipped my mind. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. Stop working or doing something for the day. For example, we have done enough work. Let's call it a day. After a long day, you can just say, let's call it a day. Let's stop this. Let's finish this. I'm so tired. Let's call it a day and finish this tomorrow. The next one might be very familiar for you. It's a very simple one. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. It simply means you are heading somewhere, or if your friend called you and asked you, hey, where are you? You can just say, I'm on my way. It means you are coming. Don't worry, I'm on my way to the office now. I'm running late, but I'm on my way. Keep me posted. Keep me posted. It means to ask someone to keep you updated about something. If you hear anything new, keep me posted. It means if you hear something new, just update me, just tell me. I'll keep you posted on any changes to this schedule. Take your time. Take your time. It means don't be in a hurry, don't rush. Go at your own pace. Go slowly. No need to hurry, take your time. You don't need to finish this today, take your time. I can't make it. I can't make it. It's a polite way to say you can't attend or do something. I'm sorry, I can't make it to the meeting tomorrow. Oh, I can't make it to the dinner tonight. Can we reschedule? Sounds good. Sounds good. It's a casual way to agree or show approval. It means you agreed something. You agree with whatever they showed you or whatever they are saying. Sounds good. We'll meet at 7 p.m. Sounds good. You want to order pizza? Sounds good to me. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. I usually use this when we are talking about learning English. Like, it's not a big deal. Anyone can do it. It means it's not something very important or something very big. You can learn English easily if you try. Sorry, I'm late. And someone else from there is saying, it's not a big deal. It's fine. You are late. It's not a big thing. Don't worry about the mistake. It's not a big deal. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. It's a casual way to say you are not interested. Or it's like you don't like something, so you can say this. I'm not feeling it. Do you want to watch this movie? I'm not feeling it. Hey, let's go to the beach? Nah, I'm not feeling it today. And there you go. The 15 must-know English phrases that you can use every day. You know, these are intermediate phrases. These are not beginner ones. We actually left the beginner level. Now we are in the second stage. We are in the intermediate level. So these phrases can be very handy if you want to speak English like a native speaker. If you want to take your English to the next step, these phrases can be very helpful. Try practicing these phrases whenever you can. When you get a chance, like I started it from the morning. We started the phrases from meeting someone, so you can use it every day. Definitely you will come across situations where you can use any of these 15 sentences every day. When such a situation pops up, don't hesitate, don't feel shy, just speak it out. Try to take your English to the next level. So guys, this is all for today. I hope this video was helpful for all of you. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.